प्यारे दोस्तों, सफल चैनल पे आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज के सेशन में अपन समझेंगे नेचर ऑफ रूट्स ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन। लेट्स ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट डू मीन बाय नेचर ऑफ रूट्स। In the previous session we have seen that for a standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, the roots are given by the formula minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. When we are talking about nature of roots, basically we are interested in knowing that whatever roots are there, are they real or not real? If they are real, are they equal or are they unequal? So the nature of root is decided by the quantity what you see in the square root symbol, that is b square minus 4ac. This quantity is called discriminant of quadratic equation, and usually we denote it by capital D. So that's why D equals what? B square minus 4ac. Now based upon value of D, we are going to comment whether roots are real or not real. If real, are they equal or unequal? So let's see what all cases we have with us. So if I am taking the standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, so we have three possible cases. Case 1, ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 has two real and distinct roots if d is what? Greater than 0. Why is it so? Because I know if this whatever quantity is there inside the square root sign, if it has a positive value, then I am going to get plus a square root of that and minus a square root of that. Correct? So that's why we'll have two real and distinct roots, and the roots are given by minus b plus root d by 2a minus b minus root d by 2a. Also we need to note that real and distinct roots are also called real and unequal roots. Many a times they mention in the book real and unequal. Case 2 we have is the quadratic equation has two real and equal roots. Very important. If d is what? Equal to 0. That means the quantity under square root sign, if it becomes 0, that means whatever is there after plus minus sign, that is 0. And if I'll add 0 to minus b, or if I subtract 0 from minus b, it is going to be minus b only. So that's why both the roots are equal to minus b by 2a. So when discriminant of the quadratic equation is 0, then roots are equal and they are given by the formula minus b by 2a. If d is negative, that means before that also we need to note that real and equal roots are also called what? Coincident roots. Many times they call it as repeated root as well. Okay. Also when discriminant is 0, then the quadratic equation can be expressed as a perfect square of linear polynomial. So this point you can keep in mind. The third case we have is when d is less than 0, that means d is negative. That time the quadratic equation will have no real roots. No real roots are also called what? Complex or imaginary roots. So you will be asked to find the roots in the first two cases. In the third case, you are not supposed to write the roots. They won't ask also. The third case in detail you are going to learn in class 11th. Okay. So what you need to keep in mind is, based on the discriminant, we can comment on the nature of roots. If d is greater than 0, roots are real and unequal, and they are given by the formula minus b plus root d by 2a minus b minus root d by 2a. If discriminant is 0, then the roots are real and equal, and both the roots are equal to minus b by 2a. If d is negative, that means less than 0, then roots are not real and we cannot write real roots in this case. So keeping these three cases in mind, let's look at the question. The first question I have taken on the screen. Find the discriminant of the following quadratic equations and comment on nature of roots. तो यहाँ पे अपने को नेचर ऑफ रूट्स के बारे में बोला गया है डिस्क्रिमिनेंट निकालने के लिए, एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैट वी नीड टू कमेंट. So the first case, if I will see A is how much? 1, B is how much? Coefficient of x, that is 2, and C, that is constant term, is -1. So capital D जो discriminant होता है वो क्या होता है? B square minus 4 AC. So B की वैल्यू कितनी है अपने पास? 2. So 2 square minus 4, A is 1 and A is 3 we have, sorry, A is 3. So 4A C is -1. Okay, so what I'll get? 4 plus 4 3s are 12, so you'll get 16. So I can see that 16 is what? Greater than 0. That means the discriminant of the quadratic equation is greater than 0. That means roots are real and unequal. So roots are real and unequal. Okay, I can write here. So roots are real and unequal. So बहुत ही आसान है, ABC की वैल्यू लिस्ट करनी है, कैपिटल D कैलकुलेट करना है, and based on that you can easily comment. In the second case, again A is 2 we have, B is +5 and C is also +5. So capital D, if I am going to calculate, B square minus 4AC, so B is 5, so 5 square minus 4, A is 2 and C is +5. So 25 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So 25 minus 40 is -50. So that means D is what? Less than 0. And we know that if D is less than 0, then roots are not real. So no real roots. So in this case, no real roots. The third case we have A is 1, B is +8 and C is what? +16. So capital D, discriminant of this quadratic equation, B square minus 4AC. Now B is how much? 8 minus 4, A is 1 and C is 16. So I can see that 8 square is 64 and 16 into 4 is also 64. So in this case, discriminant is what? 0. And we know that when discriminant is 0, then the quadratic equation will have real and equal roots. So I can say that real and equal roots. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से जब भी आपको नेचर ऑफ रूट्स पे कमेंट करना हो, ABC की वैल्यू लिस्ट करें, कैपिटल D डिस्क्रिमिनेंट की वैल्यू निकालें, और अगर वो पॉजिटिव है तो आप बोलेंगे रूट्स आर रियल एंड अनइक्वल. अगर वो नेगेटिव है तो आप बोलेंगे नो रियल रूट्स, और अगर डिस्क्रिमिनेंट 0 है तो आप बोलेंगे roots are real and equal. Moving ahead to the next question, what you can see on the screen, for what value of k the quadratic equation has real and equal roots. So अपने को पता है कि quadratic equation के real and equal roots कब होते हैं? जब इसका discriminant 0 हो जाता है. So let us write the value of a first. Coefficient of x square is simply k, b coefficient of x, that is 8, and C, that is constant term, is -2. So for real and equal roots, for real and equal roots, what we know? Discriminant, that is B square minus 4AC, must be equals to what? 0. So B की वैल्यू कितना है अपने पास? 8. So 8 square minus 4, A is how much? K, and C is how much? -2. Okay, so what I'll get? Equals 0. So 64, and here I'll get minus and minus plus, so plus 8k equals what? 0. So plus 8k, I can write it as -64, or k equals what? -64 by 8, so which is basically minus 8. Okay, so the value of k for which above quadratic equation will have real and equal roots is what? Minus 8. Okay, so moving ahead to the next question. Here they are asking for what value of m the quadratic equation has real roots. Now one important point here you need to take care. When we are calculating, so let me write first the value of a, b, c. So a is 1, b is minus 4, and c, that is constant term, is what? M. Now when we are looking for real roots, so that time the discriminant must be greater than or equals to what? 0. Here it is not mentioned that real and equal or real and unequal. So if they are saying only real roots, so that time you have to take both condition, d greater than equals to what? 0. So d is b square minus 4ac, so that has to be greater than equals to what? 0. Now let us substitute the values. So minus 4 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is m. So greater than equals to what? 0. So 16 minus 4m greater than equals to 0. 4m I can take right hand side. So 16 greater than what? 4m. I can divide both sides. So 4 greater than what? M. So what I am getting is m should be less than equals what? 4. So the value of m I can write should be less than equals what? 4. Okay. So any real value which is less than equals to 4 can be taken in this case. Moving ahead to the next question. It's a very good question. It has come in board exam also. Now here they are asking if minus 2 is a root of the quadratic equation and the quadratic equation x square plus m times of 4x plus m minus 1 plus k equals 0 has real and equal roots, find the values of m. Let's see how to do it. So since minus 2 is a root of the quadratic equation, it will satisfy the quadratic equation, correct? So since minus 2 is a root of 3x square plus 7x plus k equals 0, what will get? 3 into minus 2 square plus 7 into minus 2 plus k equals what? 0. तो यहाँ से अपने को मिल जाएगा 12 minus 14 plus k equals what? 0. So minus 2 plus k equals 0. So this will give the value of k as what? Plus 2. So k की वैल्यू हमने निकाल ली है. अब क्या करना है? सेकेंड क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के लिए बोल रहे हैं कि उसके रियल एंड इक्वल रूट्स हैं. So let us try to write the second quadratic equation in standard form. The second quadratic equation, so what we have? X square plus m times of 4x plus m minus 1 प्लस k, और k की वैल्यू अपन कितना निकाल चुके हैं? 2. सो यहाँ सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे. सो लेट अस राइट दिस इक्वेशन इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. सो ये हो गया एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4m इंटू एक्स, देन विल गेट m स्क्वायर माइनस m प्लस 2 इक्वल्स व्हाट? 0. So the value of a, that means coefficient of x square, we have 1 here. Coefficient of x is 4m and constant term we have is m square minus m plus 2. Now this quadratic equation has real and equal roots. So we know that for real and equal roots, b square minus 4ac equals to 0, correct? So b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Now the value of b we have is 4m. So 4m the whole square minus 4 A is 1 and C we have is m square minus m plus 2. So this must be equals to what? 0. So let us simplify this. So 16m square minus 4m square plus 4m and minus 8 equals what? 0. तो यहाँ से आपको मिल जाएगा 12m square plus 4m minus 8 equals 0. We can take 4 common. So I can write dividing both sides to the next step. So 4 3s are 12. So 3m square, 4 1s are 4. So just m, and 4 2s are 8. So minus 2. So now this quadratic equation I can factorize to get the value of what? M. So maybe I can write 3m square plus 3m minus 2m minus 2 equals what? 0. So here I am using the concept of splitting the middle term. So 3m I will take common, so m plus 1, minus 2 I will take common, so m plus 1. So what we are getting? M plus 1 into 3m minus 2 equals what? 0. So the value of m from the first factor I will get minus 1, from the second one I will get 2 by 3. So that means the values of m are what? Minus 1 and 2 by 3. So the given quadratic equation will have real and equal roots for m equals what? Either minus 1 or 2 by 3. It was a nice question. So let's move ahead and take up the next question. If the roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal, prove that 2p equals q plus r. ये भी अपने आप में एक काफ़ी अच्छा सवाल है, बोर्ड एग्जाम में भी आ चुका है. देखते हैं इसको कैसे कर सकते हैं. सो बोल रहे हैं कि रूट्स क्या है? रियल एंड इक्वल हैं. सो रूट्स रियल एंड इक्वल हैं, दैट मीन्स डिस्क्रिमिनेंट क्या होना चाहिए? 0. So here we can see that the value of a, coefficient of x square, is basically p minus q. The value of b, that is coefficient of x, is q minus r, and constant term is r minus p. So for real roots we know that b square minus 4ac must be what? 0. Now b square, that means q minus r the whole square, minus 4a, a is what? P minus q, and c is what? R minus p. So let us simplify this. So this I'll open using a minus b the whole square. So I'll get q square plus r square minus 2q r. Here minus 4 I'll keep it as it is. First I'll simplify this 2 bracket. So p into r is pr, and p into minus p is minus p square. Minus q into r is minus qr, and minus q into minus p is plus pq. तो अपने यहाँ से अपने को मिलेगा q स्क्वायर प्लस r स्क्वायर minus 2qr. This bracket I'll open. So minus 4pr plus 4p square, then minus into minus again plus, so 4qr, and minus 4 into plus pq, so minus 4 pq. तो यहाँ से अपन देख रहे हैं कि minus 2qr यहाँ पे है और plus 4qr यहाँ पे है. So this q square I can write, r square also I can write in the bracket. This 4p square, can I write it as minus 2p the whole square? Why I am doing so, you'll come to know just now. So now plus 4qr and minus 2qr is basically plus 2qr. Okay, then we have minus 4pr and minus 4pq. Okay, so अब इसको अगर आप गौर से देखेंगे तो ये अपने को दिख रहा है q स्क्वायर प्लस r स्क्वायर plus minus 2p the whole square. This is 2 into q into r. This is plus 2. I can write into r into minus 2p. So this is basically minus 4pr only, and this I can write again plus 2, that is minus 2p into what? q. So ये कुछ u बन गया, a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस 2bc प्लस 2ca। और ये आपने पढ़ा है क्लास 9th में आइडेंटिटी, वो क्या होता है? a प्लस बी प्लस सी द होल स्क्वायर। तो यहाँ पे a की जगह q है, b की जगह r है और c की जगह माइनस 2p है। So this becomes the whole square equals to 0. Now if this is 0, so the linear factor should be 0. So q plus r minus 2p equals 0. So this will give you 2p equals what? q plus r. ठीक है, काफ़ी अच्छा सवाल था। तो इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस भी आप बोर्ड एग्जाम में एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं। So moving ahead, now this is a question from NCERT textbook. Here they are asking, is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. अब देखते हैं सिचुएशन क्या है। The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in year was what? 48. So इसके लिए अपन सिचुएशन फ्रेम करेंगे। So assume, so the sum of the ages of two friends is what? 20 years. Okay, so assume the present age of two friends are 20 or x and 20 minus x। अब मैं 20 माइनस x क्यों बोल रहा हूँ? क्योंकि दोनों की एज का सम जो है 20 years है। So if one person is x, other will be 20 minus x. Now 4 years ago, if I look at their ages, so 4 years ago, so the first person will be x minus 4 and the second person will be 20 minus x minus 4. Now this two product is what? 48 as per the question. So 4 years ago, the product of their ages in year was 48. So this is basically x minus 4 into 16 minus x equals what? 48. तो यहाँ से अपने को मिल जाएगा minus x square, then I'll get plus 16x and then plus 4x. So that's plus 20x and minus 64 equals what? 48. So x into 16, 16 minus x into minus 4, that is plus 4x. So that's why plus 20x minus x square and minus 64. So writing this equation in a standard form, so x square minus 20x, this 64 will go that side. So 64 and 48 will get added. So that will become 112. So equals what? 0. So now this quadratic equation will have real roots. Then I'll say above situation is what? Possible. So that means we need to check discriminant of this quadratic equation. So what we need to check? Discriminant. So d is b square minus 4ac. Now the value of b here we have is how much? Minus 20. So minus 20 square minus 4ac. A is how much? 1 and c is how much? 112. So यहाँ से देखेंगे तो 400 और यहाँ से 448, मतलब d की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई है? नेगेटिव लेस देन 0. And you know that when d is negative, the quadratic equation will have no real roots. So that means this implies what? Above situation is not possible. अगर यही d equal to 0 आ जाता या greater than 0 आ जाता तो मैं क्या बोलता? Above situation is possible. So since d is negative, I'll write above situation is not possible. Okay. So इसके बाद मैंने कुछ क्वेश्चंस लिए हैं जो आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। So काफ़ी आसान है। और मैंने आंसर्स भी दे रखे हैं, so you can have a look and then you can verify it also the answers. So thank you for watching the session. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel.